Hello guys, this is Mohib, and today in this video I'll be telling you how to fix the delay of your timeline in After Effects. So suppose that you are trying to play a video, and when you click spacebar on your keyboard, it takes about 5 seconds to actually start playing the video. So how do you fix that 5 seconds delay? So in order to fix that, you must first check if the delay is caused by your audio. Alright, so I want you to go over on the very right side and disable this audio option and then play the video. If the video plays instantly, then it means that the issue is in audio. So how to fix it? Alright, so if you want to fix the audio of the video and fix delay, then you just have to press Ctrl plus M and go in the output method, and then choose the format MP3 and then choose the stereo mono. Alright, and then press OK and then select where you wanna export the audio. Once you export the audio, you will have to import the audio file, the MP3 file, back in your timeline, and then you have to make sure that your audio of the video is muted. All right, so it is often the issue, but if you're still having delay in your After Effects, then you must change the resolution from full to half, and if you're still having the delay, then you might want to change the it to third or quarter. And if it also doesn't fix the delay, then you might want to come to the composition settings, and then you might want to check that if your frame rate is according to the frame rate of the preview. All right, for example, my frame rate over here is 30. You have to press OK. In my composition, frame rate is 30. Like, the video contains 30 frame rates per second. So now go to preview and go to check the preview. If it also contains 30, then it's fine. But if it has like if it is set to 60 or more, then it means that you have to match the frame rates of your composition to the frame rates of preview panel. All right, and there's one more thing. Suppose your video is 60 frame rates per second. Now you want and you are getting a lot of delay, but you want the output to be 60 as well. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna edit your video in 30 or 29 fps, and once you're done editing your video, you can render your video in 60 fps, which will greatly impact your editing speed. All right, for example, you're editing a video that is 60 fps, but you edit the video in 30 fps, then you will face no delay at all. Doesn't matter what effects you're adding, doesn't matter what you're adding. All right, it also depends on the width and height of the video. For example, if your video is 4K and you're editing the video in 1080p, then that's gonna highly impact the delay, because it depends on the computer, to be honest. If your computer is very high is very high specs and it has very good things in it, then it will render quickly. But if you don't, then you will have to decrease the settings, and then once you render the video, you can render it on the high settings that you want to. All right, I hope this video really helped you, and if you want me to make more After Effects content, then you can like the video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you tell me in the comment section. And if you're having some other problems, then you can also tell me about the problems, and then I'm sure that I will probably be able to fix those. All right, thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Bye bye.